This is the 2025 Dodge Demon 170, the most extreme factory muscle car Dodge has ever built. It's not just a car, it's a statement. A brutal, street-legal drag racer designed to dominate. Today, we're diving deep into every inch of this beast. The looks, the interior, the power, and the price. Right off the bat, the Demon 170 looks like it's ready to destroy the quarter mile. Dodge has kept the classic Challenger shape, but made it meaner. The front grille is wide open, gulping in air for that monstrous supercharged engine. The hood scoop is massive, hinting at the power underneath. The fenders are flared, housing massive drag radials at the back. The rear spoiler and diffuser aren't just for looks. They help keep this beast planted when launching hard. With lightweight carbon fiber components and a stripped-down focus, every detail screams performance. Inside, it's all about function over luxury. Dodge has ditched anything unnecessary to save weight. You get a single seat as standard, yes, just the driver's seat. Because this car is built for one thing, speed. But if you want, you can option in passenger and rear seats. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara for maximum grip, and the gauge cluster is all digital, giving you real-time performance data. The Uconnect infotainment system is still here, but let's be real, you're not buying this for Apple CarPlay. The Demon 170's interior is a race car cockpit designed for one purpose, getting down the drag strip as fast as possible. And now, the heart of the Demon 170, the 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8. But not just any HEMI. Dodge has reworked it to push out a mind-blowing 1025 horsepower and 945 lb-ft of torque when running on E85 fuel. Not regular pump gas, it still makes an insane 900 horsepower. The massive 3.0-liter supercharger is paired with a reinforced engine block, stronger internals, and an upgraded fuel system. This thing isn't just fast, it's violent. 0 to 60, just 1.60 seconds. A quarter mile, 8.91 seconds at 151 mph. Dodge even had to get this thing NHRA-certified because it's too fast for a stock street car. The Trans Brake 2.0 system helps you launch like a pro, and the suspension is tuned to transfer all that power to the ground. Rear drag radials come standard, but you can swap them out for street tires if you actually plan on driving this daily, which, let's be honest, would be insane. Now, here's the big question. How much does all this power cost? The 2025 Dodge Demon 170 starts at around $100,000, but good luck finding one at that price. Dealers will probably mark it up way higher. Add in options like passenger seats, premium audio, and unique paint finishes, and you're easily looking at over $130,000. But for a car that can take down million-dollar hypercars in a straight line, it's a steal. The 2025 Dodge Demon 170 isn't just another muscle car, it's the final boss of gas-powered performance. It's raw, it's brutal, and it's here to leave a mark before electric. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, enjoy it. Because they don't make cars like this anymore. Subscribe for more insane car reviews. See you in the next one!